Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix limited access issue in Discord. All right, so let's begin with the video. To start, open your browser like Chrome, then search for Discord support. Once results appears, click on the first result to open the official support page. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for limited access. Then select the limited access FAQ option. Once here, scroll down within that page until you find the option that says Submit Ticket Here, and click on it. This will take you to a form where you can submit a request. Fill in your email address, set the subject to something like limited access, and in the description, explain that your account currently has limited access. After completing the form, click on the Submit button. Once submitted, your request will be sent to Discord support for review. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix limited access issue in Discord. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.